The biggest waste of time in our life is not being conscious and aware of what we are doing with our time. And for some people, this could mean entire lifetime. How many times has it happened with you that you have logged into your social media account and even before you realize it, 2-3 hours have just gone by? How many times has it happened that you work the entire day but not knowing what concrete work have you done and not understanding that what major value have you added? How many times has it happened with you that you are spending your holiday at home but you are spending most of your time watching TV or on your phone, not being aware what's happening around your house with your family members? One of the common questions that I get asked from my mentees is, how do I become more conscious and aware of my time? While there are several tools, one of the simple and yet practical tool that I suggest is set an hourly alarm. Now this alarm is a reminder for you to ask yourself certain questions like, what have I done in past 1 hour and what am I going to do in next 1 hour to get maximum value out of my time? This will help you to get back to present and become more conscious of your time and understand how are you spending your time. While ideally you must first plan your day in advance, but if you're not in that habit, this tool will help you to become more conscious of your time and eventually you will start planning your day, your week, your month, your years and ultimately your life. Slowly it becomes the discipline of your life, it becomes a habit, and until then you can continue to use this tool. Higher the awareness, higher the number of possibilities and opportunities you will be able to capitalize on. More awareness will lead to more choices and better progress. Awareness is the starting point of taking the charge of your life. This is Life Leadership Movement, inspiring you to take the charge of your life and be the leader of your life.